Thanks for tuning in again. I've just cleared some room in the workshop, and it's no easy way to say this. I bought another car. I bought another project car, and it should be turning up anytime soon. Don't worry, I haven't given up on the mighty mirror. There she is. I haven't given up on her. But what I'll be doing is I'll be unveiling a new project. I'll carry on some work with this, and then at a later date we'll get on with the other project, and hopefully I'll be able to do them back to back. I thought that if I've got the car here, another car here, there'll be plenty of stuff for you guys to watch, keep us all entertained. What a pile of... Oh, we've heard that before. And here it is. I've got myself a Beetle. You guys might be wondering what I'm doing with the Beetle. It's not a particularly rare classic car, but this one here is slightly special for two reasons. One of the reasons is that this is a 67 one-year only Beetle. The other thing that makes this car a bit special is actually a YANASE Beetle. It has the plaque there. Apart from the obvious that the car needs a lot of TLC, it's not in great shape. There's another issue, and that's the engine. So this particular model is fitted with 1500 single port engine. And yeah, well, it's not in there, is it? So this is part of the engine. It's actually the engine case, minus pretty much everything. There's no crank, there's no cam, there's no barrels, there's no pistons, there's no cylinder heads, there's nothing, it's just a case. But I've been informed the parts for this engine, or some of the parts, are actually inside the car, minus the barrels and pistons. I was going to go ahead and take the engine parts out to inspect them, but yeah, unfortunately the hinges are seized on this side, so I'm going to have to open it from the other side. But yeah, we'll unpack it, have a look to see what goodies are in there, what can be saved, what can't. So inside the car there was an assortment of parts. Got the lower tin there, piston tubes there, cylinder heads, rocker covers, oil cooler, pedestal there, distributor, fuel pump, con rods are here. Oh, there's a crank. That feels like a camshaft and cam gear. So I do have the fan shroud here. But as with the engine, there are no barrels and pistons, and also no flywheel, no front pulley, and there's going to be lots more missing. The biggest problem I've got though is the reason why it was stripped. I don't know, and that's a worrying thought. I mean, the case at this point is easy to split, so I can actually have a look. I'm going to check the condition of all the parts. I'm hoping that it was just stripped down for an overhaul, needing new barrels and pistons. That's why they're not there. But yeah, the only way to find out is to strip it down even more, do some measuring, let's see what we can do with it. Another reason that I wanted this car, I do like Beetles anyway, but this is a right-hand drive, and I do prefer a right-hand drive car. In Japan, it seems that there's plenty of later Beetles, left-hand drive Beetles, but trying to find one like this, I only found a couple. This is the one I went for. From the outside, it's really difficult to work out what colour this car is. It's got like some kind of primer here. It's got like a light blue here. It's got a nice bit of pink here. But the original colour of this car is this kind of off-white grey colour. It's really nice. So when I restore it, we're going back to this colour. Interesting thing about a 67, they're available in a wide 5 wheel or with 4 lug and disc brakes, and this particular model's got the disc brakes. Another thing that's pretty unique to a 67 are these door handles. So I wasn't quite ready to buy another project, but this came up, I had to have it, that's why it's here. I will be doing some more work on the mirror first. I'm not going to quite jump onto this one quite yet. I'm just going to just leave it to one side, and hopefully soon I'll be doing some videos on this and the mirror at the same time. But at the moment I'm just going to carry on with the mirror for a little bit longer, and what I might do is start ordering parts for the Beetle, and yeah, it'd be exciting. If you're into classic cars or you're into the modern retro classics, it means that you can watch this video, that video, both videos. So I'm going to have to do some welding up the top here. And what I'll have to do next is remove the dashboard. I don't want any splatter. Hang on a minute. Oh, come on, stop looking at me. I hope you're looking forward to this future project. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.